Hey guys, we all are seeing the dual screen phones or the folding phones is getting more attention from smartphone users. It feels futuristic while using it and many smartphone manufacturers are trying to go beyond it. Like recently we saw the patent of rolling phone. In this race of folding phones, Microsoft has a product named Surface Duo that we saw last year. And Microsoft is getting ready for its successor, the Surface Duo 2. In recent weeks, we have seen leaks of the Microsoft Surface Duo 2, which revealed a new triple camera setup on the outside of the phone. We now have some evidence that the next Surface Duo will be powered by a flagship-grade chipset. The new device appears on Geekbench with score indicative of the high-end Snapdragon 888, as we were hoping for the +1 variant. Anyway, the device scores 1091 in the single-core test and the 3517 in the multi-core. For refresh, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold3 5G scored 979 single-core and 3441 multi-core on the same benchmark app running the same chipset. The Surface Duo 2 tested was running Android 11 and the chipset was paired with 8 gigs of RAM. We are excited to hear more about the new Surface Duo because the first iteration was certainly something different in both design and function among smartphones. Surface Duo 2 brings some design similar to the original model with its two separate displays held together by 360-degree rotating hinge. The big visual change comes around the back where we see a triple camera setup. There is also a black colored model this time around which appears to have a matte finish. Windows Central noticed the Microsoft plans to enhance battery, the cameras and the large display on the Surface Duo 2. NFC, lift to wake and high refresh rate are expected updates as well. The triple camera reportedly consists of a 12 megapixel main camera, a dedicated telephoto camera and an ultra-wide camera. The power button appears to house a fingerprint scanner. The device is expected to launch later this fall around September or October. The original Surface Duo has seen similar discount in Microsoft US store where it costs $649 or $699 for 250 gigs. If in any case you were thinking about to buy it, what do you think about this? Let me know in the comment section. With that said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.